Hey, what's up? This is Julian from the Binary Lab. In this video, I'm gonna wear this mask to keep the germs from getting across to you. Yeah, so it's been like the temperature fluctuation. It was 38 degrees Celsius on Saturday, and yesterday was 31. And in the morning today, it was 24. So that's too much of a temperature fluctuation. As a result, I got sick. So anyway, today I want to share with you something amazing and basically some insights on how to trade um, binary options effectively this week. So I may have mentioned this concept before, okay? And this concept is about like adapting yourself to the market, the adaptation equation, right? Remember that? So the adaptation equation, like many people like to ask me, what kind of trading methods do I use? So if you watch my videos, you probably realize that I don't really have a fixed approach to trading. I just trade whichever way that makes money. But if you're asking, I think the most common method I use would be the reversal. And even if it's just one method, okay, one thing that you need to do to adapt is not just about changing your methods, but changing your chart time frame as well. So, for instance, like today, the market's really slow, right? And this is the 15-minute chart. If we looked at the 1-minute chart, and you realize, oh gosh, it is terrible. I mean, how are you even going to trade with this kind of price action? So what you do is you go up to a higher time frame. If you're looking at the payouts suck. I know that. Yes, it sucks. So you look something else that the payout is good, but just don't bother about the fact that the payout sucks. Okay, just for now, just focus on this. So we went up to the 10, we went up to the 15. We started out on the 15, and this looks really dull and boring. So I'm just gonna jump out to the 1 hour, and hey, that starts to make sense now. Do you see what I'm trying to say? And hey, we're looking at some divergence right here between this point, and it's like a bullish divergence. So what do you know? I could possibly go for a 2-hour call on this one. But you know what? I still don't think that this is the right time frame. Why? Because there's still a lot of small bars. Alright, so I just had a computer outage, power outage on my computer. No, the battery went out. Anyway, so you can see it already bounced back, okay? But you know what? I mean, so that's proof that, changing out the time frame does help a lot. However, this is still not the best time frame because I'm seeing all these small bars. So what do we do? Okay, I'm going to switch this up to an even better time frame. And how about a H4L? Wow, there you go. That looks good. So now you realize that in this one simple trick, okay, it's not just about adapting the methods, but even within a single method, by adapting a time frame, you can change the market to look like what you enjoy to trade. For instance, you probably look at this kind of price action and you look out for that in the 1 minute is, yeah, sure, it's really fun. But that's when you get these kind of price action. But if you go to today's 1 minute, you're not going to find it. You're going to find like garbage like this. But we could change it by clicking on H4, and there you go. That looks like what we like to trade. The only difference is now we're not gonna be able to do a really short trade. We probably have to do something like a couple hours. Like, oh gosh, I can even do like an 8-hour trade. You get what I'm saying? But that would be cool. I could do an 8 hours trade on this one. All right, if there was an 8 hours trade option, and it would be very nice. I could do something like that. So I hope this tip finds you well, and this is a great productivity hack when it comes to your trading, because in the recent period of time, you probably find that lousy price action is just about everywhere, and you could be going up the time frames, struggling to find a good time frame to trade where the price action is stable enough. I mean, maybe this one's a little bit better than the one that we saw just now in Euro New Zealand, but it's still not that great. I mean, it's better, but it's not that great. But now, based on what I just showed you how to do, you can actually play around your time frames, and what do you know? You can instantly have a chart that looks very nice to trade. Just take into account that your expiry time is going to change differently as well. So if you'd like to learn more about how to trade binary options and the way that I do it, you've probably seen my in 5 trades or less kind of videos on YouTube, and you'd like to learn how to trade, every Tuesday I have a live webinar training where you can join in. So if you're down for that, just head over to my Facebook page and find out how you can join. And in the meantime, this awesome interface here is Pocket Option. I love it. It's really good. And one of the great indicators that I love is the zigzag tool, which is auto zigzag. What I love about the zigzag tool is it saves me the trouble of drawing lines because it helps me to instantly identify, where my entry points for a trade are going to be. So I can just get in for it like right away. Like right here, I could just take a 2 hours trade and look at making some, because this is a really nice interface with nice quick execution. You see the divergence there. So we're gonna actually just check this back in 2 hours or so. But I mean, it's just so easy to use, and you can get your own demo of Pocket Option down in the video description. And if you love to know how to use the signals inside of Pocket Option, I have another video on that I just put out yesterday. So watch that video to find out how's the best way to use these signals over here in combination with some basic indicators to make money in binary options and Pocket Option. My link is in the video description. I believe is thebinarylab.net/pocopt. So check that out in the video description. And if you may also be interested in my copy trading group, I have that too. So just check all that information out in the video description. And I'd love to see you in one of my trading groups or one of my live webinars real soon. Bye for now, and it's been a pleasure having you watching my video.